holiday. We only got very short notice, you know, we had to grab our bags and then go, you know. So it's just, I don't know what else to say.
Are you happy to see your sister here?
I didn't expect her because I told her I was getting a lift home in the next minute. Dublin is the most beautiful city in the world.
It was pretty awful the first 24 hours, because you just didn't know what was happening, and there was a lot of noises that you were not used to, and a national alarm in the middle of the night that woke us all up on our mobile phones. So it was very frightening.